Hello everyone, this is a short video to show you how to log into OESIS XP to watch some of their professional development videos. So if you go to oesisx.instructure.com, which is also in the email, you will have your login that you got earlier. If you have any trouble with that, just email me back and I can resend you the login information, or you can go to Forgot Password, click on that, and then just use your school email and it will send you a new password. So once you log in, you'll get to the All Saints section for OESIS XP. If you'll just click on that, that should take you into the course's homepage. So once you're on the course's homepage, you can go through and see all of the different categories of things that are available. So everything from art to cultural competency, neurodiversity. So you can really, as you see PBL, get all kinds of different types of things, subjects that you can look into. You can also go down to the bottom and go to videos by grade level, and that's where you can see by division, elementary obviously, including early learning, all the way through. So let's say that I wanted to do something on design thinking. So I'll go in here and it shows me the different choices that are in here for design thinking. So if I wanted to do pre-K and elementary design thinking and project-based learning, I'll click on that, and then it will load the video in here. It'll tell you how long the video is, when it was put together, and then to watch the video, you'll just hit play. Video will start playing, and you can go through and watch the information. So this one is from a first grade teacher and a pre-kindergarten teacher at Indian Creek School. So these are put together from all different schools and teachers from around the nation. So if I want to go back to the home and make sure I'm on courses over here, and go home and go through here and select whatever I want. So I hope that helps you navigate and find some great information for you to watch for your professional development this month.